The HYPRO 755HB wheel-carried tractor processor plus FG45 is a robust and specialized piece of equipment designed for forestry operations, particularly in the realm of mechanized logging. This combination of a processor head and a carrier tractor offers efficiency, power, and precision, catering to the demanding needs of forestry professionals worldwide. The HYPRO 755HB processor head is the heart of this forestry equipment. It is designed for installation on wheel-carried tractor units, providing flexibility and mobility in various forestry environments. Here are some key features and functionalities. The HYPRO 755HB is capable of handling trees with diameters ranging from small to medium-sized, typically up to 55 centimeters in diameter. This makes it suitable for a wide range of forestry applications, from thinning operations to selective harvesting. Known for its high-speed processing capabilities, the YPRO 755HB ensures efficient timber processing on-site. It incorporates advanced technology to optimize cutting cycles, reducing processing times, and increasing overall productivity. The head is versatile in handling different tree species and conditions, thanks to its adjustable settings and robust build. This versatility is crucial in adapting to varying forest types and logging requirements without compromising performance. Safety is paramount in forestry operations. The HYPRO 755HB is equipped with safety mechanisms to protect operators and ensure smooth operation, even in challenging terrain and conditions. The FG45 serves as the carrier for the HYPRO 755HB processor head, forming a powerful combination tailored for forestry tasks. Here are the key aspects of the FG45 carrier tractor. Built with a powerful engine and robust chassis, the FG45 provides the necessary power to transport and operate the HYPRO 755HB efficiently. It is designed to navigate through rough terrain commonly found in forestry environments, ensuring reliability and durability. The FG45 features a wheel-carried design, offering superior mobility compared to tracked carriers in certain conditions. This allows it to access remote areas and traverse uneven ground while carrying the processor head without compromising stability. Forestry operations can be demanding, requiring equipment that prioritizes operator comfort and control. The FG45 is equipped with ergonomic controls, a comfortable cabin with excellent visibility, and features that enhance operator productivity and safety. Designed for ease of maintenance, the FG45 minimizes downtime with accessible service points and durable components that withstand the rigors of daily forestry work. This ensures operational continuity and longevity of the equipment. The HYPRO 755HB wheel-carried tractor processor plus FG45 excels in a variety of forestry operations. It efficiently processes trees for harvesting, contributing to increased operational efficiency and reduced labor costs. The equipment is adept at selective cutting and thinning operations, promoting forest health and growth while maximizing timber yield. From softwoods to hardwoods, the HYPRO 755HB can handle different timber types, ensuring versatility and adaptability in diverse forestry environments. By optimizing timber harvesting and processing, the equipment supports sustainable forestry practices. It minimizes environmental impact by reducing waste and improving forest management practices. The efficiency and productivity gains achieved with the HYPRO 755HB plus FG45 translate into cost savings for forestry companies, making it a cost-effective investment over the long term. Modern processors like the HYPRO 755HB often come with digital interfaces and connectivity options, allowing for data logging, performance monitoring, and remote diagnostics. These features enhance operational control and facilitate proactive maintenance scheduling. Automation features in the processor head streamline operations, from log measuring to cutting optimization, further enhancing productivity and reducing operator fatigue. The HYPRO 755HB wheel-carried tractor processor plus FG45 represents a pinnacle in mechanized forestry equipment, combining the precision and efficiency of the HYPRO. The Ponce Buffalo King relay machine is a prime example of cutting-edge forestry technology designed to deliver unparalleled efficiency, durability, and versatility. As a robust forwarder, it is instrumental in transporting felled logs from the cutting site to a roadside landing, especially over long distances. Here's an in-depth look at the Buffalo King, including its technical specifications. The Ponce Buffalo King relay machine stands out in the realm of forestry equipment for its exceptional load capacity and terrain adaptability. Built to meet the rigorous demands of modern forestry operations, it ensures maximum productivity while minimizing environmental impact. Its relay functionality is particularly beneficial for extended hauling operations, enhancing the efficiency of timber transportation. The Buffalo King boasts a durable and resilient chassis that can withstand the demanding conditions of forestry work. Its frame is designed to support high-capacity loads, ensuring stability even when fully loaded. The use of high-strength materials and reinforced joints contributes to its longevity and reliability. At the heart of the Buffalo King is a powerful diesel engine, known for its high torque and horsepower, essential for heavy-duty hauling. The engine is engineered for fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, aligning with environmental standards. It is paired with an advanced hydraulic system and a reliable transmission, ensuring efficient power delivery to the wheels and operational components. One of the Buffalo King's most notable features is its impressive load capacity. It can transport large quantities of timber in a single trip, reducing the number of trips required and enhancing operational efficiency. The machine's adjustable bunk area accommodates different log sizes, providing flexibility for various forestry operations. Despite its size, the Buffalo King offers excellent maneuverability. Its articulated frame allows for sharp turns and precise handling, crucial for navigating tight and uneven forest paths. The suspension system absorbs shocks and vibrations, ensuring a smoother ride and reducing wear on both the machine and the operator. The Buffalo King is equipped with large, rugged tires that provide excellent traction and stability across challenging terrains, from muddy swamps to rocky hillsides. Its ground clearance is sufficient to overcome obstacles like fallen branches and uneven ground, making it capable of operating in diverse environmental conditions. Technical specifications: engine, Mercedes-Benz, 286 horsepower, 210 kilowatts, transmission, hydrostatic mechanical load capacity, 18,000 kilograms, 39,683 pounds, load space, 5.3 to 6.3 square meters, 57 to 68 square feet, maximum speed, 20 kilometers per hour, 12.4 miles per hour, operating weight, 21,000 kilograms, 40. The operator's cabin is ergonomically designed for maximum comfort and efficiency. It features adjustable seating, intuitive controls, and excellent visibility, reducing operator fatigue and increasing productivity. The cabin is also equipped with climate control systems to ensure comfort in various weather conditions. The Buffalo King includes numerous safety features, such as rollover protection structures, ROPS, falling object protective structures, FOPs, and advanced braking systems. Safety alarms and sensors alert the operator to potential hazards, enhancing overall safety during operations. Advanced control systems in the Buffalo King enhance operational efficiency and precision. These systems provide real-time monitoring of performance metrics, such as load weights and fuel consumption, enabling operators to make data-driven decisions to maintain peak performance. The Buffalo King is equipped with modern automation and connectivity features, including GPS tracking, telematics, and remote diagnostics. These features enable fleet managers to monitor and manage equipment remotely, improving coordination and reducing downtime. The Buffalo King is designed with sustainability in mind. Its fuel-efficient engine and reduced emissions contribute to a lower environmental footprint. Additionally, its high load capacity and efficiency reduce the number of trips required, minimizing soil compaction and other environmental disturbances.
The CAT 359 excavator stands out as a robust and versatile machine, designed to meet the rigorous demands of modern construction and industrial projects. Its impressive specifications ensure that it can handle a wide range of tasks with efficiency and reliability. At the heart of the CAT 359 is the powerful CAT C18 engine. This engine delivers an effective power of 404 kilowatts, 550 HP, as per ISO 9249, and an engine power of 405 kilowatts, according to ISO 14396. The engine's design includes a bore of 145 millimeters and a stroke of 183 millimeters, with a displacement of 18.1 liters. These specifications contribute to the machine's exceptional performance, providing the necessary power and torque to tackle the toughest jobs. One of the key features of the CAT 359 is its ability to run on biofuel blends of up to B20. This capability supports sustainable practices, allowing operators to reduce their environmental footprint without compromising on performance. The machine also meets stringent emission standards, complying with Brazil MAR1, which is equivalent to US EPA Tier 3 and EU Stage IIIA. This compliance ensures that the CAT 359 operates efficiently while minimizing harmful emissions, making it a more environmentally friendly option. The hydraulic system of the CAT 359 is engineered for precision and efficiency. It provides smooth and responsive control, which is crucial for performing intricate tasks with accuracy. The advanced hydraulic technology ensures that the machine can handle heavy loads and operate continuously without overheating or experiencing significant wear and tear. This system also contributes to the excavator's overall fuel efficiency, reducing operational costs over time. The swing mechanism of the CAT 359 further enhances its operational capabilities. It allows for swift and accurate movements, making it easier to position the machine and execute complex maneuvers. This agility is particularly beneficial in confined spaces or challenging terrains, where precise control is essential. In terms of weight, capacity, and dimensions, the CAT 359 is designed for stability and productivity. Its robust construction ensures that it can handle the stresses of heavy-duty operations, while its optimized weight distribution enhances its balance and maneuverability. The excavator's capacity to handle large volumes of material increases its efficiency on the job site, reducing the time and effort required to complete tasks. The operating range and digging force of the CAT 359 are also noteworthy. Its design enables it to reach significant depths and extend over large areas, making it suitable for a variety of excavation tasks. The powerful digging force ensures that it can break through tough materials and handle difficult digging conditions with ease. The CAT 359 is a highly capable and efficient excavator, built to meet the demands of modern construction and industrial projects. Its powerful engine, advanced hydraulic system, and robust design make it a reliable and versatile choice for operators looking to maximize productivity and minimize environmental impact.
The Cat D10T2 is a testament to the enduring legacy of Caterpillar's D10 dozer line, known for its productivity, versatility, and robustness. This machine is adept at handling heavy construction and mining site tasks, providing superior performance, long life, ease of operation, and world-class service from the global Cat dealer network. The Cat D10T2 is powered by the Cat C27 Assert engine, which boasts a flywheel power of 600 HP, with a bore of 5.40 inches and a stroke of 6.00 inches. The engine has a displacement of 1,648 cubic inches. It offers different power ratings: 471 571st of a kilowatt, 632 766 HP in forward, reverse, gross, say J 1995, 462 560 seconds of a kilowatt, 620 754ths HP ISO 14396, and 447 538ths of a kilowatt, 600 720 seconds HP net say J 1349 ISO 9249. These ratings ensure the D10T2 delivers consistent power and performance even under demanding conditions. The operating weight of the Cat D10T2 is approximately 154,700 pounds, while its shipping weight is about 109,775 pounds. The machine's ground clearance is 28.50 inches, and the track gauge is 100.40 inches. The D10T2's dimensions vary based on configuration, with lengths ranging from 209.60 inches for the basic tractor to 360.60 inches when equipped with an SU blade and single shank ripper. Equipped with Extreme Service S shoes, the D10T2 features a shoe width of 24 inches and 44 shoes per side. The grouser height is 3.70 inches, and the pitch is 10.25 inches. The track rollers count 8 per side, with an optional carrier roller per side. The length of the track on the ground is 152.80 inches, providing a ground contact area of 7,347 square inches. The D10T2 employs a 3-speed planetary power shift transmission, offering 3 forward and 3 reverse speeds. The transmission's clutch diameter is 17.10 inches. The machine's maximum speeds are 7.90 miles per hour in forward and 9.80 miles per hour in reverse. The hydraulic system features a variable displacement piston pump with the bulldozer relief valve set at 4,061 psi and the tilt cylinder relief valve at 2,944 psi. The combined pump output for implements is 100.40 gallons per minute. The D10T2's service refill capacities include a fuel tank of 314.40 gallons, a cooling system of 47.60 gallons, an engine crankcase of 18.00 gallons, and a powertrain capacity of 60.80 gallons. The D10T2 meets ISO standards for falling objects protective structure, FOPS, and rollover protective structure, ROPS. The machine's sound levels are 115 decibels A, 111 decibels A externally, and 77 decibels A, 74 decibels A internally for the operator. The air conditioning system uses R134A refrigerant, contributing to operator comfort in various climates.